Here's a step-by-step guide for adding more generations to your family history book. When creating a family history book, please remember that not all of your information will be displayed within our automatic layouts. Books will automatically display the tree chart, individual timelines, and family group sheet pages for the number of generations you've selected. However, it's easy to add more generations to your book. First, open the project you want to edit. From the preview, select the Add to Book button in the upper right-hand corner. Then, select Add a Family Tree. Search for the starting person, select their partner if needed, and how many generations you'd like to add, up to 7. Doing this will add their family tree, timelines, and family group sheets. Then, select Add Pages in the bottom right-hand corner. The new generation and all pages will be added at the end of the book. If you're looking to add a missing person from your tree beyond the number of generations you have already included, you can select Add to Book and then choose Add a Person. Search for the missing person you'd like to add and select their partner if needed. Doing this will include their timelines and family group sheets. Then, select Add Pages in the bottom right-hand corner. Once again, the new pages will be added at the end of the book.